Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now in this video, we'll be talking about a stock recommendation from CLSA which will benefit from the forecasted hot summer. Now the foreign brokerage firm CLSA believes that the recent forecast by Indian Meteorological Department of a warmer than usual summer in March to May period bodes well for this company. The brokerage has a buy rating on this stock with a target price of Rs 885. Imperative to mention here that the Indian Meteorological Department expects mean temperatures to be 1.5 degrees higher than usual in states like Rajasthan, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. Temperatures are forecasted to be higher than normal in states like Bihar, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. All these states are important markets for this company and hence it should benefit. Please watch this video to know more about this particular company. Now the company in question is Varun Beverages Limited and it's available at 631.55. The symbol for it is VBL. Now Varun Beverages Limited is engaged in manufacturing, selling, bottling and distribution of beverages of Pepsi brand. The company produces and distributes a range of carbonated soft drinks as well as a selection of non-carbonated beverages. Now the 1 year chart reveals that this company rose for the initial part of the year, then went on a consolidation, and during the last few months of the year again it was on an uptrend. The market cap of the company is 11,531.28 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 12.90, which means that the company is available at an expensive price to earnings ratio of 48.96. Now this, however, is cheaper compared to the industry PE of 51.52. The book value is 130.23, translating into a price to book ratio of 4.85. The company did not pay out any dividends and the dividend yield here is 0%. The promoter holding is strong at 73.59. Now the 52-week high for the company is 758.80, whereas the 52-week low for the company is 340. Now friends, please don't treat any of these as stock recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. And this is all what we wanted to show you for today. Thanks for watching and we will see you soon with another video.